Hello, my name is Klaus and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. Roll the intro, let's go! From the thumbnail you have seen what we're gonna do, so let's go to the tools and the materials we're gonna need. Here we are. Now we're gonna install this. And I'm gonna modify this a little bit. The USB installer thingy-ma-thingy. It came in such a packaging. This wiring and that's it. So this is what I received in packaging. So I bought spade connectors, 15 amp female, 15 amp male plugs, so we can join them together. We will need a 10mm socket, spanner, whatever you have to remove the one terminal from the battery. Trim removal tools, I'll use a blade, you'll see it in a second. And the tool, how it's called, wire stripper tool. You can crimp here, so we need crimp, cut and stripping the wires, because we'll be splicing this in replacement of the cigarette lighter. So then, let's start the first thing what I want to modify. What I want to do is cut this off and make it as a cap, basically a cap for the dust and everything else to settle. So this comes off. So you can see this is the cap or the cover. It's rubbery, it's plasticky, but I don't want this. I shaved this off, literally with a blade I did. And now this will be separate and it goes like this. See, and it's holding in. Nothing can. You need to pull this out just to get it back in there. And that's it. That's how I want to set my one up. As you all are aware, we will gonna replace this with this. And many of you asking why. After I was driving the Volkswagen around, the Arteon or whatever, he had USB-C to C charging, and it was so nice. You just plug it in your phone or whatever it is. My phone is here, plugged in, and it's nice. And I didn't need any of this kind of adapters. If you don't smoke in your car, then this is just a waste of space. And for you to buy this will cost the same as buying this. I will get rid of the cigarette lighter. But if you're a smoker and you're thinking like, hey, I might need that even. If you have this Mazda, exact Mazda. Here is another port. See that shiny port right there next to the aux in. Magic. Scandalous. What we're gonna do is start with dismantling all of this. See this wiring here. This is the cigarette lighter, this one. So we're gonna remove this from the car. See? So this we need to remove, and here we will chop the wires. Okay, let's see how we remove this. So that's the plug. So you can see it has only 2 wires. And this needs to just come out somehow. It launched. Yeah, it's really tight in there, like really, really tight. Look, it launched right there. And it broke. Yeah, it's really tight in there. It's like, phew! Look at that. That looks awesome. And this, you just tighten here till the collar snaps in place. Now comes the wiring. As you can see, we don't need that much wiring from the original one. So what we're gonna do is a red wire to plus, as red always goes for hot. There you go. And black wire goes to negative, because it's always negative. I'm gonna cut a little bit more than I need, because as I'm not a professional, I don't know how much I up, how much I can up, you know. Just let yourself some free room. Give yourself some room. For safety, if we plug in the battery and wires connect to wires, I'll just put one of electrical tape just around, just for safety. If something, you know, it's better be safe than sorry. There you go. Now if you press that button, it should come alive. And it's alive. That's how it is. That's how it works. Done. Installation is done. And here you never know or never seen that it's modified. Here it is modified. That's job done. Now what happened to this? Can you see the crusties and everything else? That's why it never worked, never will work. Now what broke are these. See, right here. Two spots broke and it just flew off. See, these. That's what's holding it in. That's what's holding this one in. So that's it. Now let me reassemble all this, put it back in, and we test when I'm on the road. But this goes in the bin. And that's all. And that's how you do it. That's how you upgrade it from 2010 to a 2024. Okay, right here, this panel. If we turn the panel, do you see where it's written cigar? Right here on top. It's 15 amp fuse. So it's this one. So you are fusing into this fuse already. Pop this panel back in. It's time to test out what we need to test out. The charger. Now first comes okay, let's check the USB-C. I'm gonna plug my phone into it and see if it charges. Well, I hope this video was somehow helpful or informative. See you in the next one. Bye bye.